Coral! It's losing money!
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks again for tuning in to another exciting video that I have for you guys today. Today's video is going to focus on my bullish perspective on the altcoins before, and I don't think it's shifted too much, but I want to just emphasize in this video, what to expect and my perspectives and how opinions change, like any opinions. So this is a graph of the market capitalization of most cryptos in addition to Bitcoin. The dominance. So how much, Bitcoin is dominating in terms of its performance and, the likes of such. So are the altcoins currently dead? No, I don't believe so. What we're seeing is a lot of institutional money or Tether. It's really hard to say at this point coming into BTC. This was not witnessed as much in 2017. When we had that big bull run, we saw a huge increase in the price of BTC and the alts went nuts, especially in 2017, late November, early December, even in January. They just took off like a rocket ship. So we really saw something that we've never seen before. ICOs going crazy, people diving in, just cashing out, pumps and dumps everywhere. 1,000% X's in like a month. It's insane. It was a frenzy of altcoins, altcoin mania. What we're seeing now is very interesting. If we go to roughly around the beginning of this year, where Bitcoin dominance was 52.5%, roughly speaking, it's surged to 61% as of today, and it's as of June 24th, and it's the alts have actually gone down. Some of them have actually decayed. Look at these graphs. Look at particularly others, but look at even XRP. Their price relative to Bitcoin has gone down. The alts are performing terribly. So I am a little bit concerned, and I have some regrets of not buying more Bitcoin. Again, you never know. This is manipulation. It could be real institutional money. Hard to really say. But regardless, it makes me feel like I made a mistake of not buying more Bitcoin at the $4,000 level. Do I plan to sell the alts that I have? No, I do not. I have enough in alts, and I still believe that they will come to life. But again, I think the safe bet, in my opinion, is to buy the bigger projects, the top 15, top 10, Cardano, Bitcoin SV, Ethereum, XRP. I don't think these projects are dead by any means. And I just don't think that Monero is also a good one. I just don't think that we are in a place where these are dead projects. We could see a lot of the other altcoins become rendered useless because now we have IEOs, which is a little bit different. ICOs are not as prevalent now. We could see another big run, but from the altcoins it's not the same. People aren't frenzying in nearly as much, and Bitcoin is being used more adopted by the big institutions that are going to potentially drive the price up. They're not really into Cardano yet. Ripple could be with the exception, but again, maybe they're the next Bitcoin. But this is just my opinion, and with seeing these prices, especially this surge here, is concerning. Our investments have they've gone up, but not nearly as much as Bitcoin. So it's disappointing. And it's at a stage right now where if you are not fully allocated or you still have some money waiting to be put in, it's a tough spot. We saw Bitcoin at about earlier this week at 14K, roughly speaking, and then it dropped to like 10.5. Back to 13, down to 11, back to 12, super high volatility. It could drop in a matter of a day back to like 6 or 8, 7, 8,000. It could not. But if that happens, you're gonna, do you buy now? Do you sell now? I wouldn't recommend selling. That's just my opinion if you already own a lot. But buying more is a good strategy if you have some more money to throw around. But 11K, 11.5K is tough. It's a tough spot to sell. To buy, because it could just in an instant drop down to 8K. We've seen it drop $4,000 in a day. So concerning. For me, it's not what was expected. I don't think anybody expected this in the market. So the best we can do is just try to buy at a good time. Hopefully there's another dip for those of you who haven't bought, or some, even if you're waiting on the fence, just buy it now. That's my recommendation. Again, it's not financial advice. It's simply my opinion, and you might regret it if the price hits 20,000 or 30 or 40 or 50 or 60. So for me, disappointing to see this. The alts, maybe the alts hasn't taken off yet. Maybe there will be a huge alt run. Again, it's all speculation, but I certainly believe it's going to happen, but I think it could take more time than Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin has really kind of surged. So simply my opinions. Thanks for watching, guys. Not trying to, this is not a bearish statement whatsoever. It's just a lot of analysis of what I've watched and heard from other people. And it's simply me just trying to analyze the market in the most logical possible way to give the best information. So thanks a lot, guys, and subscribe and like below. Thanks.